morning, folks. This is Frank here with Seacoast Harley, Northampton, New Hampshire. Today we are featuring a 2020 Street Glide CVO. It's got a beautiful one-off paint scheme for this year. It's a beautiful paint job. It's got the sort of AMF vibe with the red and orange pinstriping. This paint job has to be seen in person. It's really striking. The CVO, as you can see on the fairing, this CVO has a 600 watt sound system. The normal the normal Street Glide Special has 300 watts, so this is double the wattage. The sound is magnificent. We have 4 speakers on the fairing, left and right, and we have 2 speakers on the saddlebags. The sound is amazing. Also, the CVO has a 117 cubic inch engine. Just as a point of reference, the normal Street Glide has a 107 cubic inch, and the Special has a 114 cubic inch. So this is above and beyond. This is 117 cubic inches, which equates to 1923 cc's. Over just about 107 horsepower. So this thing really moves out. It's all blacked out, and it's just a beautiful machine. So come on down. Once again, my name is Frank, and I'd be happy to take you on the test ride, and you can feel this magnificent machine for yourself. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.